Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and this is hive number 632 in the nursery. And what we're going to do here, we've been trying to save time. We took the top off before we said, but for you that like to see it, we're going to do one of them. Y'all like to see how the bees react when I take the top off, and I can understand that. This one got a big old roach on it. It's got a screen on it. Okay, roach gone. It's got a screen on it right here, so window screen, metal, not fiberglass. There we go. And that's how my bees act sometimes. Before we're done, this group here may need to be smoked. Take their feeders off. They may need a box. They may not need a box. But I don't smoke my bees just because they might be acting bad. Saw two little beetles in there. Clean some of this off the top. Now, girl. This one here was a blue queen that we took out and put her in another box, and she's doing fine, fantastic. And this one here is doing pretty good. I'm going to move you over here just a little bit. We're going to put the hive right down here beside it. Yeah, we're going to do that now. So we're going to set up. Yeah, we're going to put it, you can see where I put it when I put it down. But that's that. We're going to take this box off to start with. Looks like it needs a little work done to it. Take it off, and it's heavy. Yep. Okay. Make sure y'all can see both of them. We're gonna smoke them all when we get back. Okay. We're gonna go in that one first and see what we got to do with them as far as mixing. We're gonna sit right here. We're going to let the girls know I'm here. Okay, girls? You know who's here now, right? You know what's going to happen if y'all misbehave. Okay. This one. Not good, is it? Okay, this one here feels like it's got some nectar in it. And it does. It's full of nectar and honey. Bees are fast tuning. Looking good. Good girls. Okay. I guess we're going to sit it right here. Okay, they're okay there. We're going to find another stick. Well, and I'm sure we got one somewhere. They may need to put this one in a double deep. 8. Yeah, this time of the year, I'll still put them in a double deep 8. If they build it out, great. If they don't, no loss. This one here has brood, honey, pollen, nectar, eggs, brood, larvae. This one here has the same thing. Good looking frame, good looking. Ooh. This one here looks pretty good. It's laid up with brood, eggs, larvae, honey. See, she's going to need a lot of pollen to feed all these bees, all those babies. That's why you want to make sure you got the right pollen with the acids and the vitamins that they need. And like I say, we'll be talking about that later. We'll be talking about some other stuff too now. So y'all just gonna have to get used to looking at me, or don't look at me, just listen. This one here has honey, brood, babies being born, eggs, same thing both sides. Okay, on your right and across the top is all honey, and down below you see a little on the right, on the left hand side, you'll see some brood, and all that down there is eggs and larvae. Got nectar, honey, yeah, and a yellow queen. You want to talk about smoke? She's going around the other side. She's walking across the bottom now. She is right here now. Right here. And that's why we smoked the sides. That's the end bar. That's where she was at. Okay, now we're going to look at them over here. See what we got. See how we're going to work this. We know where the queen's at, so we ain't got to worry about her. There's not too many bees over here. And they're hollering. You don't think I'm as important as the queen? Well, kind of like what kid is more important than the other kids you got? You got 6 or 4 or 3 or even just 2. This one here has honey and nectar. Same thing on this side, and no bugs. Right there. Yep, they need another box. What I'm going to do is just put another nuke box on top of this. Bottom looks clean, bees look healthy. This one here is loaded up with honey, got some nectar, got some pollen in the bottom. See, all these, this box will go in the top. This one here has about the same thing. It has some nectar, some pollen, some honey, and the pollen's in the middle. Hope y'all can see that. This one here has brood in it. Girl's walking around with some pollen on her feet. Got some nectar, some honey, some brood. Good looking frame. This one here is nectar, honey, bee bread. This side here has got pollen. That one's got pollen, the other side has got the stores too. Got the honey and the nectar. So they've got pollen. It's good to look at your pollen though and see different colors. Because you know they're getting different pollen from different places. Come on, girl. This one has pollen, some drone brood, no, some drone cells. That's pollen on your left side and drone brood or drone cells on your left. See, this whole frame can go up to the top. I think I'm going to go buy some of that wax foundation with the wires in it. And this one here's got pollen. They got a lot, and it's different colors. They got oranges and light oranges and different colors in here. See the girls in there bringing in pollen. It's all orange and it's all from the goldenrod. I think, maybe. See the girls with the pollen on them? Bottom looks good. So we're still going to give them a little bit of pollen though. I want to make sure that they've got what they want or need. We can put them back in there. Move that over. She has no room. Frame here is the one that had to pick it up. Okay, this is the frame that had the queen on it. She could be anywhere now. But we're going to give her some more frames, but they're going to have to build them out before she can lay on it. But I think I'm going to order me some of that wax foundation with the wires in it. I don't like it, but it might help out with my bees this time of the year. And the way I ordered it is in the case, and it'll be 200 and I think 25 in there. If I stick it in the freezer or the refrigerator until I need it, they'll be okay. Put their feeder back on. Oh, get off. And I think we're going to quit here. I got to take my wife to the store. She needs to get some sheets because that bed she's been waiting on, because of her back, she got it today. So came out, put it together, showed her how to use it. She got a chair last week, so hopefully she's going to be doing better. And I know she will, because she's blessed and highly favored too. Just like my babies and me are, aren't we, girls? Yes, we are. We have a very good mentor, don't we? Yeah. We can put this back in the house. And that's that, people. Let me know if y'all like to see me taking the top off or not taking the top off. Me, I don't really matter. But that's them, and this is their little holes down here. Somewhere down there. There we go. We got a little hole there that I'm thinking about closing off a little. Let me close up right now for a second. Y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know if y'all want to see something else or find out something else. Now some people is giving me comments and things they'd like to see, but however, one of them was cutting straight lines and the way I'd cut my stuff and everything. And I'll do that, but we just got to work it out. Got to work on it. But y'all have a great one. Be careful out there, and we'll talk with you later. Bye.